You put them up. Little people, that's awesome. That's so cool. He just got the Mega Bloks and that thing was Are these blocks? Yep. These are blocks. Oh, Daddy, you've got to get a knife. Thank you. Awesome. Wow. It's a spoiled pumpkin.
Who's a spoiled little boy?
Wow.
Yeah, I think the bag's joined to the bottom as well.
Oh, it's got the
I know,
same
you're
little straps
hot,
on it that
Darlies.
you like.
Do you want to take this off then? Do you want to take this off? Because it's hot. Say, it's a hot